Hello, I'm Guy Stevens, and this is Guy vs. Nature.
Guy vs. Nature with Guy Stevens. Super sweet, man.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Well, today I'm going to teach you many things about living in the wilderness. First thing I'm going to teach you, however, is going to be how to find the direction that some people call true north. Look at the leaves on the trees. The direction the leaves blown is always north, no matter what. Or you could use an iPhone. Everybody has an iPhone. I mean, which outdoorsman doesn't have an iPhone? Every outdoorsman should care about this technology because they'll use it on a daily basis, probably. Super sweet, man. I'm going to teach you guys how to chop down a tree. Super sweet, man. Do you guys know how to make a fire? I do, kind of. The first thing you're gonna need is wood. You can find it almost anywhere, except like in deserts and stuff. And gasoline. Every outdoorsman should have gasoline because you can just light stuff on fire, and you know, if you toss a match in it, put the cap on and chuck it, it'll explode like in video games and stuff. So yeah, let's get this started. Super sweet, man. Now that we have our fire, all we need to do is build a shelter. For a basic shelter, all you need is wood. There. Now that we're done the frame of the shelter, we should add some weather resistance to this shelter. That was a lot of work. Time to go to sleep. Ooh. Man, that was a close one. I need to be more careful next time. I think I can hear a river. This is not good to drink. purify water, you need some sort of filter. Leaves do just fine. That's super sweet, man. Oh man, am I hungry. I need to find some food. First I better get a weapon. Well, I ended up cutting my hands up too much, so instead of whittling it down, I just taped my knife to the stick, because I mean, every outdoorsman has to have tape. It's just something you carry around, you know? This happens to be camo hockey tape, but you can use anything. I mean, it also works great for bandages. Yeah, mine all fell off, so. Everyone knows you have to go spear hunting shirtless. Where's that coming from? No! No! Oh my God, no! No! Ah! Oh, Jesus. Oh. No! Save you! Whee! Oh, it's spiky here. Ow!